The question you see here is Trigonometry WAEC 2013. In this lesson, we are going to solve this question from the start to the end. Now, make sure that you be cooperative so as to reach at the end together. I hope the solution is going to be helpful for you because we have various WAEC questions, but this one is very, very special. So, let's see its unique. Hello dear friends of Mwalimu Theophil Academy, a warm welcome again to this session. Today I'm going to take you through Trigonometry WAEC 2013. Now let's set the question. Here we are given a triangle, as you can see, we are given triangle PSQ, a larger one and a smaller one, PSR. And we are given in the explanation that in the diagram, triangle PQS, this larger triangle is a right angled triangle, as we find a right angle here. Angle PSQ is equal to 90. PSQ, this one, that's why it is a right angled triangle, equal to 90 degrees. PS, side PS is 3 centimeter. PS, 3 centimeter, as you see. PQ is 5 centimeter. PQ, 5 centimeter. Angle PRS, this one is 61, as you see. And angle QPR is X degree. QPR, X degree, as you can see. Calculate correct one decimal place the value of X. It means this angle. B, area of triangle PQR, this upper triangle, this one at the top, this one. Now, let's see the solution. Let us start by finding the value of X. Here we are going to use this larger triangle. And in this larger triangle, we are going first to start finding angle QPS. We are going to start with angle QPS, which is equal to angle QPR, which is equal to X, plus this angle RPS, angle RPS. But angle RPS is found in this smaller triangle, this one, and here already two angles are known, 90 and 61. When we add these two, we get 151. But the sum of degree measure in a triangle is 180. Now 180 minus the sum of these two, meaning 180 minus 151, we are going to get this angle equal to 29 degrees. Now, angle QPS will be equal to X plus 29 degrees. Also, the whole angle QPS can be found by using trigonometric ratios. As in this triangle, here we have this adjacent to this angle, 3 centimeter, and the hypotenuse. We may use cosine of this angle. Now, we say that cosine of angle QPS, this one, is equal to cosine of an angle is equal to adjacent of hypotenuse. And this is used for all right angle triangles. The adjacent for this angle is side length 3 centimeter. We divide by hypotenuse, which is 5 centimeter. Now, angle QPS will be equal to cosine inverse of 3 divided by 5. Now, cosine inverse of 3 divided by 5 is 53.1 degree. Now, to get X, it means X is equal to angle QPS minus 29. Angle QPS minus 29 degrees. So, QPS already obtained 53.1 degree, we subtracted 29. Now, when we subtract 29 from QPS, which is 29, we get 24.1. 24.1 degree. Now, the value of angle X is equal to 24.1 degree. In one decimal place. Now we're through with the angle X. So let's find out the area of triangle PQR. PQR. the upper triangle. To get the area of this upper triangle, as we already know the value of angle x, it is better to find this length so as to have x as an included angle, where we are going to use a formula that the area of a triangle is equal to a half times AB times sine of the included angle, where A and B are the two sides into which a particular angle is included, which is angle x. Now let's first of all find distance PR. Distance PR is going to be found using this smaller triangle here. Here when we use this 29, this 3 centimeter becomes adjacent, and this here is hypotenuse. Now, adjacent to the hypotenuse we use cosine. So let's find cosine of 29. Cosine of 29, as usual, cosine of an angle is equal to adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent 3 centimeter divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is what we are looking for, distance PR. To get this PR is equal to 3 centimeter divided by cosine of 29. So the answer is going to be equal to 3 divided by cosine of 29. You get here PR is equal to 3.43 centimeter. So now we have already obtained this PR, and we have already PQ. So we may take this x as included angle. Now we are able to calculate the area of triangle PQR. Now the area of triangle PQR. But before I finish, I remind you to subscribe our channel so as to get updates whenever I upload any video in this channel. Let's continue. Now area of triangle PQR is going to be equal to a half times A times B times sine theta. This will be equal to a half. A and B are the two sides having included angle, which is angle x. Now the two sides, one is 5 centimeter times the next one, which is PR, already obtained the 3.43 centimeter, times sine of included angle x, which is 24.1 degree. 24.1 degree. Now this is going to be equal to, so let's take this a half times 5 times 3.43 times sine of 24.1. We get 3.5 centimeter square. Therefore, we conclude that the area of triangle PQR is equal to 3.5 centimeters square. I hope you've enjoyed. Now make sure that you've subscribed our channel and share these videos with your friends so as to get knowledge as you get. Thank you. Have a nice moment.